Hi guys, my name is Kukuletu Mazibugo and I'm a Salesforce mentor as well as a Salesforce graduate. The reason I chose Salesforce is because although it's fairly new in South Africa, it has a lot of room for growth. I chose to be a mentor because I love learning new things and enjoy sharing my knowledge.
Welcome everyone. My name is Kaya Mazibugo and I am one of your Salesforce mentors. The reason why I chose Salesforce is because I wanted to challenge myself and put myself out there in an industry that I had no prior experience in. I'm only hoping that I can be with you guys along this journey and support you towards succeeding and graduating at the end of this program. All the best.
Good day, everyone. I'm Lefama Semola. Currently, I'm a Salesforce administrator alumna. Acquired my certification through ALX, and I'm looking forward into joining the mentorship program from ALX. And I feel like we're going to have a lot of knowledge sharing and expanding the Salesforce ecosystem.